on. It's warm. Stephen doesn't even have a jacket on. He took it off. It's too hot. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Going over those bumps to
keep from standing, keep from falling.
One more time.
One more time.
You gotta help pull it up if you want to go again. It's hard work.
Especially with your little sister on there. We need a motor on there now.
Yep.
And then Rhoda's all the way up there, and David doesn't have to do it.
Yeah, like a snowmobile.
Yep, we're on the